We have this isometric drawing. In this lecture, we will learn how to give a dimension to the sketch. Select dimension, go to this line and select line to give a dimension. Click at this point, then at this point to give dimension. Give dimension to this line, click at this point. Now click at this point to give dimension. Now give dimension to the isocircle. Give all necessary dimensions. You can see that these dimensions are not properly aligned. So we will align these dimensions by using oblique. First select these three dimensions. Go to annotate, click on dimensions drop down, then select oblique. Now give 90° of oblique angle, press enter. Now you can see that these dimensions are obliqued to 90° of angle. This time select these dimensions, select oblique and give 150° of oblique angle, press enter. You can see that these dimensions are obliqued to 150°. Select this dimension, go to oblique, give 90° oblique angle, press enter. Select this dimension, go to oblique, give 30° oblique angle, press enter. Click at dimension to edit its position. Position all dimensions. So, in this way, we can give oblique to dimensions.